I'm Dan Morrison from BLOTT WORKS. So the name BLOTT WORKS, the name Blot comes from my great aunt Mary Blott, who was basically my grandmother. She's sort of the matriarch of our family. Just a absolutely loving, caring woman, but absolutely rock solid, indestructible, you know. And I always liked the name Blott and my great aunt Mary Blott. You know, they're just like really solid, serious, no nonsense, inspiring, that kind of thing. So I always wanted to use that name for something. But for me, it means something because it's just reminds me of her all the time, you know. It feels like I'm carrying on something. I'm sure she'd turn in her grave if she knew I was making these weird lamps and stuff in her name. I make functional sculpture, which is mainly lamps and clocks, kind of inspired by engineering and architecture. Most of my work is made from combinations of machine metal part and kind of sculptured organic woods. At the heart of what I do, it's quite important to me, is that my pieces are all interactive. They have a sense of playfulness, that people can engage with them in a way that, you know, brings a bit of fun and joy in simple interactions. I was talking to a friend the other day and we were kind of talking about this, and there's all sorts of fancy things you can say about your art and your passion for it. But the reason I do it, and the reason I spend so many hours doing it, is that it's my way of saying who I am. It allows me to sit in a group of people and not say anything, or be comfortable not saying anything, because people say, oh, he's a quiet guy but he makes beautiful lamps, or really interesting lamps. And that sounds really naff and a bit lame really, but it's kind of what it's about really. It's like, I'm not sure it's a passion really, it's just something I like doing, and it's something that means a lot to me, and I like to be associated with it, you know.